In this video, I'm going to show you a few meals to prep for work because you don't want to sacrifice your bulking just because you're working 9 till 5. You don't really want canteen food, burger vans or meal deals from Tesco because that'll cost a lot of money and it's not even good for you, so your bulk will look pretty shit. About a year and a half ago, before I was a personal trainer, I worked at JCB. When I was at JCB, all I ate was sausage rolls, crisps and pasta with an OXO cube sprinkled on top. And this was my physique. I did not look good, and that was because I didn't meal prep properly. You wake up really early for work. This will be too loud to wake up your family because I know most of you live at home. What you're going to do the night before is blend a smoothie. I've got this Ninja blender. I'll link in the description. What we're going to do is blend 2 bananas, peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Watercress is the best veg you can use. Go Aldi, it's really cheap. And don't forget, use full fat milk. I go through a lot of milk, so I got off about like 3 cartons in one. So that's why smoothies are great. If you don't have an appetite in the morning, which most people don't, you're going to have one of these. Okay, so for breakfast, we've got 5 meal ideas. 4 tablespoons of peanut butter on 4 pieces of toast. Easy. If you don't like peanut butter, it's the best option. Just go for this one, Meridian. If you don't like that, you can have some unhealthier versions like Biscoff or Nutella. And if you have it with the peanut butter, it's going to be 756 calories and 28.8 gram of protein. How the f*** is that much protein? 4, 8, 12, 16. Yeah, maths are correct. Number 2 is 50 grams of porridge with 100 millilitres of full fat milk. Don't forget you need full fat. That'll be 187 calories and 9 gram of protein. So not that good on the protein, but you can always double it. Then that'll be 375 calories and 18 gram of protein. So it's a bit better. Number 3 is a ham and cheese bagel. You'll have 427 calories. 20 grams of protein, so perfect. Number 4, we're gonna go for 2 egg omelets with peppers. So that's 190 calories, 15 gram of protein. And number 5 is 50 gram of granola or muesli and 200 milliliters of full fat milk, which is 200 calories and 8.5 gram of protein. If you want any of them, try to choose the top ones, a bit more calories in them, and the last 2 just if you want something along with the shake. Don't forget to prep your dinners. We've got 6 items on the menu plus 6 snack ideas. Number 1, we're going to have a chicken mayo sandwich with brown bread, not this one. Brown bread will fill you up a little more just because you will feel hungry because of all these big breaks plus a load of food. Now this will contain 444 calories plus 33.7 grams of protein. And if you think about it financially as well, 2 pieces of bread cost 6p. I've worked this out, I'm not sad. The mayo costs almost nothing, so it's 74p total for that sandwich. Now if you go Tesco, it's £2.10. So that's almost 3 times the amount than if you do it homemade. It doesn't sound like much, but if you have that every day for your work schedule, so that's 5 a week, you're spending £504 just on a chicken mayo sandwich for the year. Now, if you do it homemade, it is £168. So that's so much better. And number 2, you're gonna have chicken wrap, lettuce, cucumber, tomatoes, and sweet chili. Together, this is 504 calories and 40 gram of protein. And that's what I use, so Blue Dragon. A little bit more expensive than the other stuff, but the other stuff looks disgusting. And it's a really easy meal, just shove it inside a little lunchbox or whatever. Number 3 is pasta bolognese. This is what I've literally just made. Where is it? Looks amazing and smells really good. So this will last you 4 days. Now, if you don't want just mince, you can spice it up a little bit. You can add some bacon and you can add some chicken. So altogether, that'll be 413 calories and 26 gram of protein. So this is a bit of a cheat one.
Cold pizza and chocolate milk.
Now, I love cold pizza. Making a pizza takes most 15 minutes. Chuck it in a tub. The amount of calories that's in that, I know it's not very good for you. You've got a lot of saturated fats and stuff, and high salt, depending on what pizza you get. And also 250 milliliters of chocolate milk. So altogether, that'll give you 1,100 calories, depending on the pizza, and 38 gram of protein. So that's a good option if you want to do a day of dirty bulking. If you don't feel like eating chicken, broccoli, and rice, just do pizza, it's fine. Number 5 is sweet potato, green beans, and steak. So this is another healthy one if you don't want the pizza.
Stupid.
I don't actually eat this yet, I need to get a grip. I'm making the video without even eating the thing, but it doesn't matter. I've just heard a lot of my mates, the bodybuilders, that's all they eat. It's just so boring and plain. But you can also put sausages on the side, put some mayo in it, put some ketchup, barbecue, whatever you want. But don't use Heinz, it's not really good for you. Use either Hellmann's ketchup or Dr. Will's barbecue. And there's no healthy alternative for mayo. Also, bring a lot of water to work with you. Then you can just keep, if you're having something that's dry like chicken, drink a load of water and it should help you go down. That's 355 calories and 29 gram of protein. Okay, number 6, chicken, broccoli and rice. This is just a really healthy option. I've had this once, really liked it because I put a bit of cheese, melted cheese on it. I don't know how I did it. So that'll be 420 calories and 38 gram of protein. Amazing. So first, put in the comments what job you have and if you think it's easy or hard to bulk in that industry. An office job sounds a lot more flexible than a warehouse job to me. When I was in a warehouse, I couldn't even go for a piss. Welcome to my drum kit. I got a few food ideas down here that I'm going to show you for the snacks. 6 snacks is going to be the first one tin of tuna every single day. Take this in your bag, take it to work. This is what people call me weird for, just eating tuna raw, just like that. That'll give you 120 calories and about, 24 gram of protein, I'm guessing. And 2 is the banana shake, so you've had one in the morning, you took the other one in your bag, and you're just gonna have that there. That's another 1,300 calories at least. Number 3 is 5 boiled eggs. Put it in a tub, put some paper towels around it so it doesn't smash up, and then just peel them, have some boiled eggs. 5 will give you 323 calories and 30 gram of protein. So amazing. Each egg has got about 6 gram of protein in. Option 4 for snacks is a bag of nuts and a protein shake, and this is what I use. So I buy 6 months worth for £100, so £200 a year. If you buy the mini bags, you'll be spending £500 a year, so this is worth it. If you've got a bit of savings, spend £100 on this from Amazon. I'll link it in the description, and it'll save you a ton of money. It'll save you £300 a year. And yeah, just take that in a little protein shaker. Mix it with water or milk if you've got that option, if you're in an office or something. Option number 5, if you don't like the smoothie, is bananas. Lots and lots of bananas. So I just keep buying loads of bananas because I'm having so many smoothies a day. I'm having about 2 to 3 a day, so like 4 tablespoons of peanut butter as well. So racking up the calories really fast, especially the olive oil, which people are sort of against, but oh well. And that'll give you 210 calories. Pretty good, just for 2 bananas. And number 6 is just a little one, which is a protein yogurt. Usually they use a lower quality protein, like concentrate. Doesn't matter, you can still have some. It'll do something. Now, this video's got 250,000 views, so if you haven't seen it already, check out a full day of eating from me. It was 8 months ago, so it's not the same diet as I've got now, but it's still got some useful information. So, see you in that one.